how yoga trapeze will bring your body further, quicker. Proof with an example with the split. So I'm not flexible. For those who knows my story, I'll put a link for my story. I had a horse riding accident. I'm not flexible. Split is very difficult for me. And on the mat, it's even more difficult. I can't straighten my both legs. My hips are very in pain in this position. My lower back is really, I can't even, my hamstring, I can't. Oh, I'm out of breath already. And my fingers are really painful to hold and push. I'm like resisting and pushing against the floor. So I'll show you now with the trapeze how a split becomes easy and not painful at all. You're just going to have the pleasure that goes with the body that opens itself. So here is my sling. I'm going to bunch it up around my ankle. Both legs are straight. I'll go on my tippy toe and then I push forward. Both of my legs are straight. It is not painful for me to have my both legs straight. I'm talking to you right now. I'm not out of breath like in the mat. And it's very comfortable. I can hold this position for much longer than on the mat. If I want to increase the difficulty, the intensity, I just push forward. If I want to have less intensity in my split, I just come back. As easy as that. With this support, split becomes easy and reachable. Finally. So this was a proof with an example of a position that it's much more easier on a trapeze than on a mat. And discover more with me with an online class, a free online class. You can register on the link just below the video, and I'll see you there.